The kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer KM-001 features two versatile mixing bowls, including a stainless steel option and a food-safe plastic one, catering to a wide range of culinary tasks. This mixer boasts a modern design with a variety of color options, allowing it to seamlessly match any kitchen aesthetic while saving space with its nesting bowl design. With 10 different speed settings, this mixer can tackle everything from kneading bread dough to delicately whipping cream, thanks to its tilt-head design that simplifies bowl and accessory changes. The mixer includes upgraded, durable accessories such as an aluminum dough hook and a stainless steel whisk, all of which are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. This stand mixer makes an excellent gift with its reliable performance, and it comes with around-the-clock customer support for any queries or issues. The kitchen-in-the-box 5-key stand mixer KM-001 combines functionality, style, and support, making it an essential tool for both novice and experienced bakers.